Okay guys, what's up? Long time. तो आपको एक बात बताऊं, जो हम अभी गाना करने वाले, उसमें गाने का हिंट है, जो गाना हम अभी रिलीज करने वाले हैं, इसी गाने के अंदर छुपा हुआ है। कौन सा है? वो गाना कौन सा है? Let's begin. ये रातें मौसम नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा, ये रातें मौसम नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा, ये रातें मौसम, ये रातें मौसम नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा, ये रातें मौसम नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा, कहा तो दिलों ने कि मिलकर कभी हम न होंगे जुदा, ये रातें मौसम नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा, ये क्या बात है आज की चांदनी में, ये क्या बात है आज की चांदनी में, कि हम खो गए प्यार की रागनी में, ये बाहों में बाहें, ये बहकी निगाहें, लो आने लगा जिंदगी का मजा, ये रातें मौसम नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा। सॉरी गाइस, वो बीच में जो मैं कर रहा था वो गाने का हिंट था। अब आपको गेस करना पड़ेगा गाना कौन सा है।
Hello.
I'm gonna give the phone to Keshu now because मेरा हाथ फिर से थक गया।
Oh yeah, they've got the muscles.
जल्दी पकड़। अबे।
Hey, what's up? Okay, what's up, man?
What's up, man? Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Oh, that's tomorrow.
Yeah, if you guys didn't join us earlier, we're wearing red because it's going to be Valentine's Day tomorrow, and we're releasing a song.
And we like blood.
Oh yeah,
Vampire.
We like roses.
vampire.
Where's my rose?
अरे रोज बोलते रहते हो। But anyway, that's why the red.
इसकी रोज की कहानी है।
कल मैं कितने okay, नहीं forget.
Oh, so when
Naughty boy.
Summer's gonna tell us the Valentine's Day plan. We're also hearing it for the first time. I got a hint by this, but what?
बाद में बताऊंगा.
Okay, break के बाद.
Break के बाद.
What's your scene, Mikey? Valentine's.
I'm gonna take Remy for maybe a nice date. I was thinking of going to Goa, but it was.
Wow.
I don't know if I'll get enough time.
If you go, when will you come?
Come when I go. And yeah, so that was my plan, but I still have to figure out what I'm going to do. Probably go out to a nice restaurant because we love to eat.
वैसे तो हर दिन एक वैलेंटाइंस डे होता है क्योंकि हर दिन प्यार हमें स्प्रेड करते रहना चाहिए फैमिली के साथ, फ्रेंड्स के साथ, पेट्स के साथ, एनिमल्स के साथ
बिल्कुल।
और
कल
बैंड के साथ लड़ाई नहीं करनी चाहिए. नो नेवर.
ये तो आप यहाँ से बैन हो जाओगे।
चॉकलेट्स देनी चाहिए, फ्लावर्स देने चाहिए और क्या होता है?
Hugs.
Teddies? No, I think
So-
hugs are teddies.
असली प्यार अंदर होता है,
Yes.
तो वो
That's true.
अंदर से है तो सब तक जाएगा।
मुझे बाहर जाना है, मेरा असली प्यार बाहर.
अच्छा,
Okay, guys. Also, there's something else about our songs that maybe Sanam would like to say about the audio.
ओके हाँ, मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि जो भी हम गाने रिलीज करते हैं, अगर आपको उनका अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए तो उनको या तो ईयरफोन्स लगा के सुने या फिर अच्छे जो भी घर में स्पीकर्स हैं, अगर नहीं है तो कोई नहीं चलेगा, लेकिन ईयरफोन्स आपको जो भी फोन के साथ मिलते हैं उनके
कुछ
उसके
भी
साथ
गाना जरूर सुनो.
सुन सकते हैं तो अच्छा लगेगा। फोन के स्पीकर्स में साउंड पूरी तरह नहीं आती, इसलिए मैं सबको बोलता हूँ कि फोन पे इतना मत सुनो गाने, क्योंकि एक्सपीरियंस इतना अच्छा नहीं जितना ईयरफोन्स में आ सकता है। तो फिर
Yeah, we try our best to give it a stereo feel so you can hear different things on both
Left and
sides, left and right and things like that. So it'll be nice. You'll get a better experience of our music if you listen to them on earphones and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And also, so last night we went out for dinner, all of us, and there was some leftover food, and we just packed it and we gave it to some people on the road, and the smile on their face that we saw, like, after giving them something like that, was really nice. And we just thought we'd like pass on this message to you guys.
बिल्कुल, जो भी खाना आप ऑर्डर करते हैं उसमें से कुछ भी बच जाता है तो उसको वहीं पे मत रहने दीजिए, उसको पैक करके किसी को दे दीजिए या खुद घर ले आओ, खा लो उसको नेक्स्ट डे के लिए। वैसे जितना फ्रेश खाया जाए उतना अच्छा है, लेकिन फिर भी उसको वेस्ट ना कीजिए।
और मुझे केक में आज मैं कंप्लीट करने वाला हूँ, केक पूरा खत्म कर दूंगा क्योंकि मुझे केक बहुत पसंद है।
Cake? I don't know.
Plum cake.
Oh, plum cake, right? That's good. I know it looks like we're doing something for Christmas, but yeah, plum cake is still a cool thing for Valentine's as well, I guess. Yeah. So if you heard the first song the song that we just performed.
Break.
Wait, someone.
Okay.
Don't press that button.
Yeah.
Oh,
what are you saying,
that
Venki?
button thing. So if you heard the song, you would realize that it's an old retro rendition of
और मैंने बीच में वो
right?
गाने का थोड़ा सा गाया था जो आपको लग रहा होगा मैं कुछ खराब गा रहा हूँ या कुछ, वो नहीं था, मैं बीच में हिंट दे रहा था आपको।
Yeah.
Mint.
So it's gonna be a while after which we're putting out a retro song. When's the last time we put it out?
Last
Yeah.
retro song I think last year है अपना तो हमारा।
Yeah, that's been a while, right?
That was in Jan.
So yeah, so all of you all subscribers and well wishers who love the way we do retro songs, I hope you guys enjoyed this because we made sure that we retain the essence of the song, and it's featuring a lovely singer. So I hope you guys enjoy her voice, and yeah.
It's one of our favorite songs, and we can't wait to.
Oh, that should be a good hint to know, like, yeah.
Yeah, if you guys want, you can.
Okay, fine, guys.
Okay, someone got it.
Oh,
Yeah,
the name of the song?
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
What reason?
Oh, nice, not bad, guys. We barely gave you.
Guys, get a selfie stick. I'm a selfie stick. See,
Yeah.
see the stick.
He's working out and all. Yeah, he needs to do something.
Something special. Hello, guys. Hi, Priyanshi. Priyanshi, is it Priyanshi? Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy
Hi,
Valentine's Day.
Juhi. Ankur. Hi, Priya.
Yeah, this is so much better. We can read the comments nicely.
Nice. Okay, so we really wanted an old retro song. Thank you guys so much. Okay, guys, we needed you guys to guess which song this is. मैंने hint दिया था शुरू में, जिन्होंने मिस कर दिया मैं फिर से देता हूँ hint. ये रातें ये मौसम समझ आई?
I got it. I
I know what song.
Something to do with nights and the moon, right?
And
Yeah.
कुछ बीतने के बारे में.
Oh, right.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cool, guys. So yeah, anyway, this is going to be a fun song that we are so happy to release and excited
Very excited.
also.
हम कल Valentine's Day के लिए भी बहुत excited हैं. Can't wait to celebrate this. And the good thing is we celebrate this like every day.
Yeah.
So
He can't wait for tomorrow for other reasons.
Now you know we celebrate this every day.
Every day.
Yeah, with family, with friends.
Oh.
And who?
Nice. Anyway, cool, guys. So that's what we wanted to tell you. That's what this live chat's all about.
Yep.
And make sure you all also help people out, like what we discussed a little earlier. It goes.
Someone got it again.
What the name of the song?
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Love this song. ये रात.
Alicia, ये रात ये मौसम.
Okay, let's just.
We've done that before.
Okay, guys, the song is
Not happening. It doesn't.
मजाक कर रहे हैं, हम कोई गाने रिलीज कर रहे हैं.
Hey, we're not releasing any song, are we? Okay, we are. Let's do
कर
Actually,
रहे हैं.
रहने देते, release नहीं करते आज, है ना?
नहीं करना.
अच्छा idea, release नहीं करते आज.
कल करते हैं.
Venki, what do you think?
कल Valentine's Day आज क्यों करेंगे?
Okay, Venki will tell you guys which song this is.
Come on.
It's a song by that's sung by Manna Day, and there's Lataji also obviously.
It looks like it's gonna drop.
He's gonna drop
Whoa,
it.
whoa.
So, this is too flimsy.
Yeah, done.
Okay, yeah, he's saying something.
Hold that.
Hold to my left hand.
Oh,
Like that.
Okay, go for it. We'll come.
Yo, bro, have a great time. Oh, wow, it goes so fast. Hi, Arpit Sinha.
You were supposed to say the name of the song.
It's called Ye Raat Bhigi Bhigi.
Oh,
That's it.
okay.
That's the song.
ये रात भीगी भीगी.
Oh, yeah.
तो मैं भी नहीं जानता.
Okay. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoy it, and we've made sure that it's a nice version. It's going to be a chill Valentine's special that we're putting out. What else? Yeah, there's not much that I can say apart from that, but it's going to be a cool one. Umang Sanam, Mr. Hoodie Baba without a hoodie today.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
All right. You guys are bad.
No hoodie.
Never replied to my text. Hi, Piali. Sorry, couldn't see your text. You know.
Hey, Leta, hood day
Goes
today
very
is a
fast.
good day.
Khushi says, "Love you guys. Love you too, Khushi."
We are very
Roshni.
khushy to have had you come.
Hey Kajal. You say hi or hey?
Hey.
Hey.
Yeah, I think it's Yerat Bigi Bigi.
Too
It
late,
is-
Jyoti.
Yes,
We already
Jyoti.
said.
The one.
Zara.
Mine is
Zara. Yep,
Zara Ahmed.
that's correct.
Nikita.
How do you manage to look so hot all the time? I know.
That's
I
it.
think
You guys have an
because of
answer
the
to
red.
this one?
You're talking about the
That's
color,
mine.
right?
Yeah, because it's red hot. You know.
Hey, say no, Venky.
Say no, Venky.
Say
Say
no,
no,
Viking.
no.
Hi.
No, just say
No. Jaya,
Like,
no.
With style, say like
No.
No.
You guys want to know why I look so hot all the time? Because I'm a lava. Because lava. Lava is hot. So
Oh, Mr. Lover Lover.
So like Michael Jackson said, you can say, I'm a lava, not a fighter.
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay, guys. So I think we're wasting too much of your time talking.
Yeah, we should
I think
release
it's
it now.
time to
listen
Listen
to the song.
You guys agree?
Yes.
1, 2. Sorry, no wait. 3, 2, 1. No wait. 10, 9, 8, 7. Wait. 6, 5,
Wait.
4,
3.
2, 1.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. Bye. See you guys. Enjoy the song. Love you. Love.